Government agencies are implementing a quick mass immunization campaign amid the measles outbreak. Health Secretary Francisco Duque III says several government agencies will ensure that Filipinos are protected against the highly contagious disease. Immunization will be done in schools and communities until March. The Department of Health reiterates that vaccination remains the best defense against measles. Duque has repeatedly urged parents to get their kids vaccinated, saying that vaccines have long been proven to be safe and effective.